Leli ke iviki elinzima kakhulu laphana ke kumkhokha njengoba nazi ukuthi unobuntu uveleke washintsha izinto wathi ngeke asakwazi ukuthi ke ashade ke noNdlovu kahle noNdlovu akamthandi uthanda ke uMenga. Okunye guys okuzokwenzeka ukuthi ke uMabusi ke ziyaqala ke inkinga nakuye umkhokha uyamlandela bathi ke uMabusi uzobehlaselwe ke amaphupho amabi azafise ke nokuyiphonsa ke eflatini noma ayiphonse phansi ke guys okuyinto ke eyenziwa ke umlungisi ngesikhathi ke eyiphonsa. So ke umkhokha ufuna ukuqhubeka kodwa manje ke usufuna ukuqhubekela ke kuMabusi uzofunda ke naye ukuthi cha naye umkhokha ungamehlela njengoba kwakwenzeka ke kwabanye emndenini wakhe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 19th to the 23rd of February 2024 on Monday. Nobuntu's despicable act comes to the full spa and Mabusi have a romantic time away on Tuesday. Difa can't make peace with Nobuntu's betrayal. Ndlovu takes out his anger on the wrong person. The Sebenzele goes full force after Ntombi on Wednesday. Mabusi awakes from a horrible nightmare unbeknown that it's the beginning of the end for her. Khululiwe learns that the Sebenzele used Ntombi's own money to buy her a gift on Thursday. Mabusi is saved in the nick of time from jumping off the cliff. Difa washes his hands off one of his daughters on Friday. Nobuntu gives Difa an ultimatum. Mabusi learns that she is not immune to the family case. The Sebenzele pulls all the stop to win Ntombi. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.